Welcome to my newest listing, the highly coveted community of Evergreen Estates in Bradenton, Florida. Come on, let's check it out. This home boasts 4 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, very light and bright, really nice sized bedrooms, lots of storage, huge walk-in closet, tiled shower, granite countertops, nice sized laundry room, beautiful open concept kitchen, nice big pantry. The home has high ceilings. They're 9 feet 4 inches. It's a smart house. The home has surround sound, which filters outside. This beautiful home backs up to a preserve and an amazing conservation area that will never be built on. Behind the conservation area is the Braden River. It's a nice sized 2-car garage. Nobody else has this in the neighborhood. D.R. Horton doesn't offer it. It's all the wiring for the whole house. There's shelves and racks, tons of storage. This gorgeous amenity center is like your own private pool.